Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new expense to your Monefy account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this minus icon down below. You should indicate the amount of your new expense. Type it in. You can add a note to it, and then you should choose a category down below. You have a bunch of options here. And now, as you can see, it has been indicated. It's indicated in the middle of the screen and down below as well in this balance section. So if you can tap on it, you can edit it anytime. You can get rid of it or edit the date, the title and the note as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.